I love hibachi, but I don't always love the price. So today we're making a vegan hibachi dinner at home. And the best part about this whole meal is that it's simple, it's affordable, and it's meal prep friendly. One thing about me, I'm always looking for ways to eat healthier without sacrificing flavor. So I've been trying to incorporate more plant-based meals into my routine, and this vegan hibachi recipe, I'm like, okay, let's get into it. I'm always making the hibachi fried rice, which is my absolute favorite, but today we want to switch it up. So I am using broccoli, bell peppers, onions, and all the good old vegetables. So we're about to get to chopping them up.
Hey y'all, I didn't know you was there. Oh my god. But guess what though? I'm in the kitchen right now and I am making vegan hibachi. I would call it hibachi. It is hibachi. It is. I'm making vegan hibachi, but I'm using ramen noodles, so I know this is gonna be dope. You ever had fried ramen? Yeah. But yes, I am in the kitchen and I'm whipping. Anyway, we got our bell peppers over here. I just cut up all the bell peppers. I am about to cut the zucchini. Ooh. Get that chlorophyll in, girl. Get that chlorophyll in. But yes, I love me some hibachi. Hibachi is one of my childhood favorite foods with the yum yum sauce. Can't go wrong with that. So that's what I'm cooking up tonight. And it's going to be for the family. So y'all about to see me put it together. Oh, hold on. And if you try this recipe, make sure you go get you some just egg, okay? This is the best. This is the best vegan egg, y'all. Oh my God. But you gotta season it right. You gotta know what you're doing with it, okay? See? One thing I love about stir-fry recipes is that you can use whatever vegetables you already have in your refrigerator and nothing has to be perfect. Like literally nothing has to be perfect. But now we're getting everything into the pan. This is where the magic starts happening, y'all. You know, the garlic, the vegetables, and the seasonings, everything coming together. So we're just getting all our vegetables prepped and we're gonna saute it. So
one thing I've learned on my health journey is that eating more vegetables doesn't have to feel like punishment, because it's really not. Like, you just have to flavor them. Sometimes it's about finding recipes that you genuinely enjoy. Like, what's your type? What's your food palette? What balances you out? So when the food tastes good, you're more likely to stay consistent. Okay? So let that sink in. Okay? Okay, so we cooked it all up. Y'all, I tried to fry the hibachi. Like, I thought I was at like an Asian restaurant, a ramen restaurant. I literally tried to fry it, and some of the noodles got stuck to the pan, but I think it's because they're vegan noodles. Y'all know how vegan noodles can be a different type of quality or whatever. However, look at all those colors. When I see a plate full of different vegetables, I know I'm getting a variety of nutrients into my body, and that's something I'm trying to be more intentional about. Here's the finished vegan hibachi bowl. It's simple, it's colorful, it's flavorful, and it's packed with ingredients that make me feel good after I eat them, and it's not too heavy. Period. If you are looking for more realistic plant-based meals, healthy recipes, lifestyle content, make sure you subscribe and let me know in the comments what recipe I should try next. I don't feel like this is my best meal yet. I feel like I have way better meals, and you got to check out my old videos to see what I'm talking about. But this was just something low key. Yeah. But I'll see y'all in the next video.
Well, you say you're gonna be back Sunday 7:30. Well, I know you tired, so I ain't bothering you up there. So